called the cap, and that cap will be sewn off in our next department once it's gradually cooled down. Anybody got any questions?
See that?
Anyone that answers flowing state is going to direct career. Yeah, so flowing cutting is going to be great. So this is one of the start. The wine glasses are actually done in the very same way. No, they're made in the same way. So they're made, yeah, it's just done over here to the side. They do the smaller pieces over to the left-hand side there. So they're actually working on a smaller piece right now. And when they're doing the wine glasses, they just pour down the crystal and just cut it off. And they use the pitch that I showed you, made of peach pearwood to take the stem. So you can see that the colour now is starting to fade once it's gradually cooling down. So continuously twisting and turning and blowing it through the rod till they get the final shape.
Wow.
So this is the final piece, and this piece will then be placed up onto the turning wheel. Now this is where they will check to see if there's any imperfections, and they'll also make sure that the base is nice and flat, and using those tools made of pearwood to make sure the base is flat also. But you know what, it's so hard to blow through that rod. They make it look so easy. Good lung capacity, absolutely. Now once they're happy with this piece, they will then bring it over here to the right hand side where you see the silver doors. This is the kiln. So the kiln is a cooling oven. So it's 450 degrees Celsius, it's raised up to 480 degrees, and then it's gradually cooled down overnight. Then you can see another bowl being remade. So it's a continuous cycle.
This is
their apprentice, yeah. So they go through their apprentice while they're working, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now if you have a look, you'll see that the craftsman is disconnecting the crystal from the rod. So he uses air first, and then he will actually cool down the base of the rod, and the crystal just drops from the rod. The final piece, and then that is brought over here to the kiln to be cooled down gradually overnight. So does anybody have any questions? So that is our final piece. So you can see that it will go into the kiln to be gradually cooled down overnight.